An earthquake of magnitude 3.7 occurred in the afternoon on Wednesday, September 21, 2022, at 4:39 p.m. local time near Polkowice County, Lower Silesia, Poland, as reported by the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 3.7 earthquake as well. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, reported the same quake at magnitude 3.9.